Locked out of your iPhone and your computer is miles away. First, let's see if your iPhone can unlock itself. After several failed passcode attempts, you might find an "Forgot Passcode" option right on the lock screen. Tapping it and entering your Apple ID password will wipe the device and the passcode clean. Now, if that option isn't there, your next best bet is to use Apple's own Find My network. Simply grab another iPhone or even use a web browser on any device to go to iCloud.com or find. Log in with the Apple ID linked to your locked iPhone, select the device from the list, and choose the Erase iPhone action. Just remember, this only works if Find My iPhone was already enabled on the locked device. For a more universally reliable and powerful solution, especially if the methods above don't apply, you can turn to a dedicated unlocking tool like MagFone iPhone Unlocker. This involves using a computer, but it's straightforward. Choose Unlock iOS screen. Follow the on-screen guide to put it into recovery mode. The tool then downloads the correct firmware for your specific model, and with one click on Unlock, it removes the passcode. Tools like this are designed to handle all types of screen locks, from Face ID to complex alphanumeric codes.